Decided that this place is too beautiful not to at least get a photo. I used to think that to get the best out of myself I had to stay in one spot, train in the same places, and just have that consistency. But yeah, one thing I've been loving and been learning lately is that if you just incorporate it into your life and make it work around what you need to be doing anyway, then it can be super beneficial. So usually what my process is to jump on Strava, have a look at some segments, see what my session is, and just go from there. So today we had some hill reps. Beautiful spot. So yeah, just found a hill, just this fire trail. It's I think 800 meters long, about 100 meters elevation gain, and just a tough one, but all done.